welcome back to my channel. So today me and some of my friends are walking. So our plan or target is to walk about 30 to 20 kilometers, and this is the starting. You can see the rivers. My friends are on the way. They are working on the way. You can see that. They are on the way. So I'm also going. So welcome to trip with me. Mom. So this is all. All our ways are going to go on this. We're going to cross the river. Like this, and we have to climb the mountains, go through the jungle. There are so many mountains. Wow, that was great. Here are my trip members. He's the first. Hi. Next one, Mr. Molam.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Shut up, Subu.
Yeah, hi, hello. Today, not Korea. Today, walking the wings, jamming.
Oh, he's the first guy who was falling on the water.
So my dress,
Oh.
not yet soap,
Okay.
all in stick.
And Mr. Namdak. Hello.
Yesterday.
Okay. And Mr. Nam.
Hi.
Hi. So, our way, we're gonna go through this
Yeah.
long way. We're already on the halfway up.
आउँदै त्यसरी
किनकि खटा ल्याइदिए उसकोमा गेन्छ
नसोया बुझो नि र नसोया बुझो
अभी तो हो जाएगा मजा आ गया हम बहुत दिल को बहुत अच्छा अब तक बहुत मजा आती है बहुत खुशी हो गया
सारा काटो इतना है ना सारा काटो मैं बना के दे दूंगा आपको सारे
यार नहीं मिलते
लास्ट में ये लास्ट
काट लो नहीं सारा काट लो अब नहीं बनेगा
नहीं आप कर दीजिएगा
अच्छा
हां
ज्यादा मत डालना हाँ चलो ठीक है डालना वो डाल थोड़ी सी हाँ वो डाल
무서워 그치
मेरे पापा रेडी में बड़े बोल काम करते थे मिस्त्री थे वहाँ
नमस्ते आज हम अंकल के घर आया अंकल बहुत क्या बोलती है बहुत प्यारा क्या बोलते हैं मन खुला हुआ बहुत फ्रैंक
ये मेरे पापा के
आज हम ये बना रहे हैं
वीडियो
पापा जी आ गया पापा जी नमस्ते आज हम पापा जी के घर आए हैं पापा जी पहले मंदिर पे काम करा करते थे पहले है ना हाँ देखो आज हम पापा जी के घर पे आए हैं यहाँ मिर्च बना रहे हैं ना जुप्पर घर पे आए हैं हम जुप्पर पे ये गांव का नाम जुप्पर है देखो बहुत प्यारा देखो सुंदरी हरियों खेत
मसाले बनाए थे
अब इधर हो
It's so beautiful here at the village. We are here in someone's home. They are so lovely, good hospitality. They are frank, so friendly. They told me to stay here, and they are making traditional Indian dish, which is very special and healthy. We're gonna have it right now. Everything is getting prepared. It's so here. He is the owner of his house. Here it is his house, and his father. He used to work in our monastery years back.
दो मिनट मेरे पास यहाँ पर कोई क्या चीज खाया
It's already
दीजिए
It's
साफ करो पूरा साफ करो
It's traditional.
उंगली साफ करो उंगली से लगाओ इसको
주먹이 떨렸어. 주먹이
됐어.
떨렸지. 저거 전에 하고 여기 그래. 주먹이 빛나 떨렸어. 저거 말해. 주먹이 쌍만 가래 가지 쌍만.
क्या बता nga तो sama sama re
Yeah.
is mistake holy ha
It's gonna be very special.
yeah so nice it is very tasty now
저거도 비틀어지네. 저래.
बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट है अब तो
इसमें
अब तो हमेशा हमें कभी भी नहीं भूलेगा
आप एक बार खाएगा दूसरी बार बोलेगा काका आप घर जाना है जरूर
अब तो ये घर ये एड्रेस और सब नहीं भूल सकता है अच्छा बहुत अच्छा है
पानी खास मिलेगा पानी
많이 돼도 나 거도.
जब जी
अब इसका नाम क्या है वैसे क्या बोलेगा
इसका नाम है मुश्का
मुस्का मुस्का आप मुझसे खाएंगे मस्ती आ जाएगा
It's called mushka.
मजा आ जाएगा मजा इसका नाम
This is how it looks after making. There's so many
नहीं
spices.
टेस्ट तो करो पहले
मैं कर रहा हूँ आप भी पहले आप करो बाबूजी करो
भौजी को दे दो पहले भौजी को.
बाबूजी को
पहले भौजी को.
मैं देता हूँ
So after getting prepared,
एक हाँ जी दवाई खाया अच्छा कोई बात नहीं क्या
ये दवाई खाते ना
एक खा ले लाओ हमारे कैमरा मैन सो वन टेस्ट
ले लिया
wow, बहुत टेस्टी. स्वादिष्ट.
अब मैं टेस्ट करूँगी और खतरा है
So we're gonna go to mountains. We're on the right way. The uncle and the house owner lent us the container where we can make tea, and he gave us everything. Here you could see we're on the way to mountain. We're gonna make tea, and mushka is traditional Indian dish mixed up with many Indian spicy along with grinder and so many other spices, and now mixed with Indian lemon. So we are all on the way. It's a rocky way. Here, this is the mountain. It's so beautiful. Here, there you could see the our monastery. It's too far. Due to weakness of my camera, I cannot zoom it. This here, my monastery. I've been through all this way from mountain to mountain to right here. I met many households who are so kind, so friendly. They invite us to their home and they feed us, they talk to us. They said they have been working in our monastery many years back. They said they have built our monastery. Their grandparents, everyone worked in our monastery. They are so friendly. They feel so happy to see us. They say to bless their home, their land and their family. So my friends are on the way to mountain. I don't know how is it going to happen. Still, we don't know the exact way to my monastery, but it's going to be way more interesting and wildlife. We don't have any plan where we're gonna go. We don't have anything to drink and to eat with us, but on the way we meet many households. They offer us everything. It feels so happy when we see the humanity still exists. They're so kind. I can't believe it. This is the way we're gonna go to mountain. This is their land. This is their land. They told us we can stay there. We can make fire. We can make tea. There, my friends. We walked about 20 kilometers from our monastery, and at last we are at this mountain. Here, you see this mountain. Friends are deciding where to make fire. Here are many dry grass. If we make fire, it's gonna be a little bit danger. The jungle's gonna burn, so we're gonna aware of this. Their home. This is the jungles. It's so calm and peaceful. Making fires for tea. Oh, ma dosa re. Okay. So, black tea. We don't have milk. We'll manage to have black tea along with sugar. It will boost our immunity. So when you go to the mountain and you make tea, it's never been easy to get oil or tea. When the waters get boiled, then it's ready. We have been cooking it for 45 minutes, but still not ready. So it's really, really tough to get boiled tea in the mountain. It's about to boil. The bubbles are coming out. Oh, true.好多下去，好。
去呀，他年纪怎么去，呀，年纪错，呀，他个人当上，呀，哦呀，他是。
不对，是过去不对。
항상 돼 보지 다 딥 믹서 레마르 딥인데 좀 딥
사진 찍으면 되나? 너네 다 들어가자. We're now back to the monastery. That is our monastery. And we started our journey from that down, and we climbed all those and then got back all over that. And here to there. It's almost 30 kilometers.
हाम्रो यो भिडियो देखेको तिमीहरू त मलाई चिन्ता नगर्छौ